So this morning, we got a customer with a 2016 Camaro SS who was looking to get a Corsa Sport axle back system. What's up, bro?
How you doing, man?
Chillin', man. You excited?
Yeah.
Ready for it?
Yeah,
It's gonna sound great, man. It's gonna sound real good.
Hello, my name is Michael. I'm an owner in the 2016 Camaro SS.
Yo, can we hear it stock real quick? Can we fire it up? Not bad, but we're gonna make it sound great. All right, yeah, bro, this is a pretty simple process, man. It's a bolt-on system. We got a couple of nuts and bolts up front. We'll throw the system on. We'll get you out of here pretty quick, about an hour, all right?
Perfect, man.
We got you, brother. Let's get it done.
It was between a Corsa system and a Blvd system. I heard Gexhaust and Instagram, and I prefer like Corsa performance because I like the sound.
All right, fire it up. Woo! Oh
My God, bro! God damn! Holy shit! Oh my God! I'm really happy with my new exhaust. I want to come back to get my new intake because the exhaust, they make a great job.
Listen to me now.
I wanted Justin and Kevin to compete with each other.
2, 3, go. Look at this, bro. No, yo, you're cheating. I'm not gonna play with you if you're cheating. Like,
So I went to Lowe's and bought a rope to see who could climb it quicker. But I have something else up my sleeve.
Kev, there's no way you're gonna be able to do this.
Justin,
Yo.
so we're gonna take these halfway through.
Okay.
Alright.
All right, cool. Me too.
Let's go, Kev!
God damn it. I can't believe we missed. We were 5 feet away.
I know.
Kevin, clean that shit up.
We need more egg. We had several fireworks left over from 4th of July last week, and G bought us a brand new slow motion camera, so we decided to put it to use.